Hello there. Welcome back to another episode of Instructadont. I was looking around the Instructable website this weekend and came across these terrible ideas.
Oh no.
Today, we're going to be making the wonderful ensemble that I have. A nice cashmere belt, a tie, and a lovely storage container that you can put many things in. And one of my absolute favorite things that I've ever found on the Instructable website, duct tape flip-flops. Let's get started. If you want to tell somebody that you're broke, you don't have any money, and you have nothing better to do than to spend your hours making clothing out of duct tape, then this is the project for you. I don't know why in the world anybody would want to make this, but we are making it anyway, and that is what it is. After looking over the websites for all 4 of these, I decided that it was best to just get everything together and then start. I started with flip-flops. You're going to trace the flip-flops out on the cardboard, cover the cardboard in duct tape, throw it in the trash. And then go cry in the corner for an hour and ask, why am I doing this? Once they're covered in duct tape, you're going to take and make string out of duct tape, which is just a wonderfully terrible garbage idea. Once your string is made, you poke a hole through the bottom of it, string your string through in the middle, duct tape your 2 ends together, and then you have flip-flops. Now, once your shoes are made, we can start on the next thing, which would be our belt. You can't have your pants falling down. If your pants are falling down, you look like a fool. But you look like less of a fool than wearing a duct tape belt. So the duct tape belt is super simple. You take a long piece of duct tape, you lay it down, you take another long piece of duct tape, you smack it on top, and once you put it on, you just duct tape it together, because that's all this ever is duct tape. Duct tape is great. Once you have your belt made, we're going to go ahead and make a little pouch for it. It's a little more complicated. You take and make a sheet of duct tape, so you lay a bunch down and then you put the sticky together and make another sheet of it. It's still a bad idea and don't do it, but it is what it is. Once you have your sheet, you're going to make 4 small cuts, fold everything in, cut it down to size, and add a belt loop on the back of it, because that makes it a belt pouch, which is fantastic, because you would totally want to go somewhere with this on your belt. Totally. So the last piece to our duct tape ensemble for this wonderful fashion statement that we are making today is the duct tape tie. Now, I didn't have a tie to trace out, so I did some rough guesstimation on exactly what sizes, and I think I came out pretty good. It ended up being about 4.5 foot long, 3 inches wide at its widest, and then the little triangle on the back. You just kind of make another sheet of duct tape the way we did the other thing, trace it out, cut it out. And now you're ready to try everything on, which is the worst part. And I wish I didn't have to do this. I wish you didn't have to see this. Ugh, terrible. All right, now that you have everything on and you're looking oh so spiffy, it's time to throw everything in the trash because that's where all of this belongs. It is a terrible idea. Do not do this, and that is why these 4 things have made it onto our Instructadont list. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description down below to find other videos that I've made, as well as the links to all of the things that we have done today. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release a video, and as always, stay fancy.